Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add or hide related list buttons in Salesforce, a simple tweak that can make your workflow smoother and your data much more accessible. Whether you're managing accounts, tracking opportunities, or just trying to declutter your interface, this guide has you covered. First, log into Salesforce and head to the gear icon in the top right corner. Think of this icon as your gateway to all the settings that control how Salesforce behaves. Click it, and from the dropdown, select Setup. Once you're in Setup, use the Quick Find box to search for Object Manager. This is where you manage all your objects, essentially the building blocks of your Salesforce setup, like accounts, opportunities, or contacts. Next, select the object you want to customize. For example, if you're tweaking account settings or modifying opportunity workflows, click on the respective object. This will take you to the object's detailed page. On the left-hand menu, find and click Page Layouts. Page layouts are key because they control which fields and related lists your users see. From the available layouts, pick the one you want to modify. Remember, any changes you make will only apply to this layout, not all layouts for the object. Scroll down to the Related Lists section. Here you'll see all the associated records for that object. Find the wrench icon next to the related list you want to adjust and click it. This opens the configuration options. Switch to the Buttons tab. Here's where the magic happens. You'll see a list of standard and custom buttons. To show a button, check its box. To hide a button, simply uncheck it. This keeps your interface clean and focused on what really matters. Once you've made your selections, click OK and then Save to apply the changes. And just like that, you've successfully customized your Salesforce view by adding or hiding related list buttons, streamlining your workflow, and making your data more user-friendly. That's it for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more Salesforce tips and tricks.